Welcome to Mr. Profitron. Today we will talk about the 10 best business ideas for beginners in 2025. These are simple, easy to start, and perfect for anyone who wants to build their own business. Let's get started. First, social media management. In 2025, every business must have a strong social media presence. But many small businesses don't have the time or skills to manage their Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok accounts. As a social media manager, you can offer to create posts, reply to comments, and grow their audience. You only need a laptop and internet connection to start. You can easily find your first clients by reaching out to local businesses. Second, print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand means selling products like t-shirts, mugs, and bags with your own designs. You don't have to keep any inventory. When someone orders from your online store, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party company. You just design the products and set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. It's a low-risk business with huge creative freedom. Third, freelance writing and content creation. In 2025, content is more important than ever. Companies need articles, blog posts, newsletters, and website content. If you can write well, you can start offering freelance writing services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find clients. You can specialize in industries you like, such as health, technology, or finance. Fourth, dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business where you sell products online without keeping any stock. You partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. Your job is to create a website, list the products, and market them. It requires strong marketing skills, but low starting costs. In 2025, niches like eco-friendly products, pet supplies, and tech gadgets are growing fast. Fifth, home-based food business. If you love cooking or baking, you can start a food business from your home. Many people prefer homemade food over restaurant food. You can start selling cookies, cakes, healthy meals, or snacks. You can promote your business through local social media groups or food delivery apps. Make sure to check local regulations about selling food from home. Sixth, digital marketing services. Every business wants to reach more customers online. As a digital marketer, you can help businesses with SEO, social media advertising, Google Ads, and email marketing. You can take free courses online to learn these skills. Once you get your first few clients, you can scale up and even start your own agency. Seventh, online tutoring and courses. Education has shifted online and will keep growing. If you are good at any subject like math, English, science, or coding, you can teach students online. You can offer private tutoring sessions or create your own course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Parents are always looking for good online tutors for their children. Eighth, cleaning services. Starting a cleaning service for homes or offices is a simple business with high demand. Many busy professionals don't have time to clean their homes. Offices need regular cleaning services too. You can start with basic equipment and offer flexible packages. Over time, you can expand and hire more staff. Ninth, pet services. People love their pets and spend a lot of money on them. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting, dog walking, pet grooming, or pet training services. Start by offering services in your local area. Building trust is important, so good customer service and reliability will help you grow fast. 10th, personal fitness trainer. Health and fitness are huge industries. If you have a passion for fitness, you can become a personal trainer. You can offer services online via video calls or in-person sessions. You can also create workout programs and sell them online. You might need a basic fitness certification, but many affordable online programs are available. Now, let's quickly review why 2025 is the best year to start a business. Technology is cheaper and easier to access. Marketing is easier with social media. People are spending more money online than ever before. Also, younger people trust small brands more than big brands. This creates a huge opportunity for beginners who want to start small but think big. Choosing the right business depends on your skills, interests, and budget. If you like writing, start freelance writing. If you love pets, start pet services. If you are creative, launch a print-on-demand store. The important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, learn as you go, and grow step by step. Remember, no business is perfect. Every business faces problems. Successful entrepreneurs are the ones who solve problems, stay consistent, and keep learning. Focus on providing value to customers. Make their lives better, easier, or happier. That's how you build a profitable business. If you are still wondering which idea to start, here's a simple rule. Start with the idea that you are most excited about. Passion will give you energy, and energy will help you push through challenges. In the end, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Your skills, your knowledge, and your mindset are your greatest assets. Thank you for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Profitron for more easy business guides and success tips. See you in the next video.